happened here? Why are you standing like that?
Nothing. Everything is fine. I was just standing here.
Then why are you hiding that controller behind your back?
Because it is broken, and I did not want to show you.
You broke it again? How did this happen this time?
It fell when I was dancing after winning my game.
Why were you dancing with a controller in your hand?
I got too excited and forgot I was holding it.
Now look at it. The controller is damaged again.
Yeah, I know. I feel really bad about it now.
Do you know how many times I told you to be careful?
I know, Mom. I really did not mean to break it.
You always say sorry after something bad happens.
I know, but this time I really feel bad about it.
Controllers are not cheap. You cannot treat them like toys.
I understand, Mom. I should have been more careful.
Why were you so excited anyway? Did something special happen?
I finally won a hard match after losing all week.
Okay, I understand being happy, but you still need to stay careful.
Yeah, I think my celebration became a problem.
What are you planning to do about this broken controller now?
Maybe I can try to fix it, or save money for a new one.
You want to save your own money for it?
Yes, because it was my mistake and I should fix it.
It sounds more responsible than before.
So, are you still very angry at me?
I am upset, but I am happy you understand the problem now.
Thank you, Mom. I will be more careful next time.
You better be, because I do not want this to happen again.
Yeah. Next time, I will celebrate without holding anything.
That sounds like a much smarter idea.
I guess my victory dance needs new rules.
Maybe first rule, no dancing with expensive things.
Okay, deal. I learned my lesson today.
Good. Now, show me the controller, and let us see how bad it is.
Okay, but please do not get shocked again.
Why? Is it really that broken?
Well, one side is cracked and some buttons are loose.
Oh, wow. Your celebration really went too far.
Yeah, I think the controller lost the match, not me.
At least you can still joke about it.
I am trying not to feel too bad, Mom.
It is okay. Just learn from it and be more careful next time.
I will, Mom. I promise.